As your own or managed restaurant, does your restaurant bookkeeping work for you? The real cost of poor bookkeeping goes far beyond missing a tax deduction or filing late. It can cause invisible profit leaks, small unnoticed losses in inventory shrinkage, waste, or untracked discounts that add up to thousands lost every month. And it can lead to misguided menu pricing, where you might be pricing your dishes too low or too high, losing customers or margin. So there's 5 steps, 5 advices I want you to start implementing in your business, and let me know if you know, like when you start noticing changes. So first, try to integrate a real-time data across your operation. Connect your POS, inventory, payroll, and accounting systems so your books update automatically. This gives you instant visibility into sales, trends, labor cost, and inventory usage. And nowadays, the technology made everything super easy for you guys. So, you know, like you can find integrations between QuickBooks, if QuickBooks is your main software, Xero and Square or Toast. There's a lot of integration. Even if you can integrate that, it can be done manually through other integrating tools. All right. So this is going to streamline your flow of information and make things super easy for you. You will be able to get your reports on time, and all you need to do is just connect them one time and forget about it later. So the second is try to drill down into profitability by menu item and shift. So this is where you can actually make money. So use your bookkeeping data to analyze which dishes are your stars and which are dragging your margins down. Adjust your menu and staffing accordingly. Okay, so this is a second. The third, forecast cash flow with precision. So a lot of people, they just underestimate the power of cash flow budgeting, and it can make miracles for you. Even though that you're financially squeezed, it can help you get, like have 3 more months for your business. Like with a meticulous and organizing your payments on and like the cash coming in, the cash coming out. All this, when it's managed in a proper way, you will be able to get a lot out of your business and increase the efficiency of managing your money. So forecast cash flow with precision. Go beyond simple bank balances. Try to use your bookkeeping data to model different scenarios like seasonal slowdowns or unexpected expenses and plan ahead. Now to our fourth, which is use bookkeeping to build investor and lender confidence. Clean, transparent books aren't just for taxes. They are your key to unlocking financing or attracting partners who trust your business. Finally, the fifth is try to leverage bookkeeping for tax strategy. Okay, so tax strategy is very important. Like it's very different between tax filing and tax prepping at the end of the year. Like many, I would say 70% of the clients I met, they just care about their taxes when they either have a problem with IRS or at the end of the year when they need to file. But you should be proactive with your approach with the IRS and try to make sure that you are working towards reducing your tax liability. It's not just the responsibility of your accountant. Like you're responsible to give the information to your accountant on a timely manner. So we as accountant can have enough time to prepare and come with the best strategy for you to avoid paying a tremendous amount of taxes at the end of the year. So it's not just filing. With detailed financial data, you can proactively plan things like depreciation, credits, and deductions, like saving thousands, not just filing on time.